Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making an extraordinary hot pepper jelly chili hot dogs. Guys, I know you will love this recipe. It's on the healthy side. It's just simple guys. You serve a hot dog in a hot dog bun with raspberry vinaigrette salad, hot pepper, jelly, chili, then top with diced tomatoes, cucumber, and onions. With this recipe, guys, you don't need ketchup or mustard like a traditional hot dog recipe. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat oil, add onions and saute onions for 5 minutes until they are soft and translucent. Add minced garlic, continue stirring for 30 seconds, then add the ground beef. Remember guys, when you cook lean ground beef, cook it at a moderate temperature than high heat. We don't want it to become tough and shrink. Now use a wooden spoon to break the ground beef up into smaller pieces as it cooks. Just like so guys. Cook ground beef for 8 to 10 minutes or until no pink remains in the middle of the pieces. It's been 5 minutes of cooking. Now we're gonna go in with our seasoning. In goes garlic powder along with chili powder. We're gonna also add in black pepper and salt to taste. Add tomato paste, then stir well. Continue to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently. The beauty of this recipe guys, it does not call for ketchup or mustard, but the taste is amazing. It's been 10 minutes guys. The meat looks good, nice and browned. We're gonna go ahead and add hot pepper jelly. Guys, I love hot pepper jelly. It's amazing. We're gonna mix it in and cook it for another minute. This should be glossy after the hot jelly has melted into the meat. Next, add about half a cup of water and continue to cook on simmer for another 4-5 minutes or cook until the juices has reduced completely. The ground beef is done guys, and this is how it should look. Next, we're gonna work on the hot dogs. Line your baking sheet with a foil, then lightly spray with a non-stick cooking spray. Arrange the hot dogs. Then we're gonna bake the hot dogs on a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Guys, 8 minutes, do not exceed 8 minutes. Okay. Hot dogs are done. Now we're gonna move on now to clean our salad. Place the salad on paper towels to remove excess moisture. Next, we're gonna work on the salad. Add in raspberry, hazelnut, vinaigrette. Then we're gonna toss everything together. Toss, 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 guys. I have my buns toasted. So we're gonna go ahead now and assemble our hot dogs. We're gonna start with the salad. Next, we're gonna place the hot dog. Then we're gonna go in with hot pepper, jelly chili. And we're gonna top with sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you one more time. There you have it guys, hot pepper jelly chili hot dogs. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so every time I upload you get notified. Leave a comment down below guys. This will really help this channel to grow. Also, share my videos with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my